morning, witches. Welcome back to Pagan Pathways with Jessica. I hope my camera stands as it should. I am currently not in California. I'm in Ohio. I did fly home. Please don't lecture me. I know about the virus. I took precautions and 95 mask. And not only that, on the first plane, which is the regular, very large planes, there was only about 20 people. So everybody is very spaced out. Not very many people are flying. And it was a must that I come home. So I don't suggest people just go out traveling, but if it's a must, then you really have no choice. Anyway, I feel very blessed that I've gotten home and I've had a week here because, to be honest with you, I was extremely homesick. I've never in my 41 years of my life have ever been homesick. And I have lived all over this country, Florida, Tennessee, I have lived a lot of places. But anyhow, yeah, this was the first time. And like I said, I'm very blessed I got to come home and be with my family here, especially my grandbabies, who I missed more than I can even express. So yeah, anyhow, that's not what this video is about, but I felt like I needed to put that little disclaimer. I don't need lectured. I do know about the virus and I did take precautions. Okay. So anyway, today's video, I'm supposed to update you on my 30-day magical roots challenge, and I do have a couple other topics that I want to discuss, so stay right here. Anyway, so the 30-day magical roots challenge, I did very well for the first 4 days, and then after that, I kind of slipped. A lot of that had to do with being home in Ohio as opposed to being in California, and just making other things my priority, which I definitely should not have done, but I did. And so, yeah, I'm starting over on Thursday. I feel like I don't want to just pick up where I left off. I want to start over. As I said, I feel like that's the better option. And so next Monday when I update you, hopefully it's a much better update, and it won't be the whole 7 days as it should have been, but at least we'll know what I'm doing. How is everybody else doing? If you picked up the challenge, how is the challenge going for you? I would like to see how it's working for everyone. If you're already on this path, long into it, did this challenge revamp things for you? Did it make you rethink things? If you're new on this path, did the challenge help? Has the challenge been helping you look for the subjects of how the craft path works? Yeah, I just want to hear from everybody. So make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know how the challenge is going for you. So I think that's enough about that. I can't really say much else other than I messed up my own accountability, and I'll be fixing that come Thursday when I get home. Okay, so the other thing I want to talk about is Witchy Wisdom Wednesday and this week's videos. I'm so excited. It's on the elements. I love working with the elements. I think they're so important to our magic that this is just a great topic. Thanks goes out to, of course, Earth Spider Weaver, because it was her week to pick the topic, and this was her topic, and I really appreciate that. So yes, if you are a witchy page and you would like to get in on Witchy Wisdoms Wednesday, please feel free to contact me. There's a lot of information in my about section on different ways to contact me, and yeah, we'll get you in there. And the way it works is each witchy page every week picks a topic, and we are going to continue on with Witchy Wisdom Wednesdays, and it would be great fun to have a few other pages involved. So if you're a page, make sure you get in touch so we can get you in with us on this Witchy Wisdom Wednesday. And everybody else who just likes to follow along and get the information, I hope you're enjoying the Witchy Wisdom Wednesdays. Let me know down in the comments how you feel about that. Are you checking out the other ladies' pages? I really hope you are, because they have some different ideas than I do, and it's always wonderful to get other perspectives about the same topic. It helps us to learn and grow and make our own informed opinion about those topics. So I love Witchy Wisdom Wednesday, and I'm so glad we decided to move on with that. One last thing. on my Facebook group, Pagan Pathways. And if you want to join, that is in my About section. You can just go and be added. But anyhow, we're doing the witchy blind swap. And I think I've mentioned this on my channel before. I'm not sure if I did. Anyway, we have quite a few witches who are doing this blind swap. And what it is your handmade items, whether that be a wall decor item or a bath salt or a candle or whatever. You put it in a box and you mail it to a different witch, and then you get a box from another witch, and it's a lot of fun. So if you want any information on that, like I said, join the group, and that's where our rules are, and that's where we do everything. All right, witches, well, I think I got through this a little bit faster than I thought I was going to, but hey, it is what it is. And my video's late anyway. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend, and I hope that their week is just as wonderful, and we'll talk soon, witches.